My family moved to Puerto Rico when I was 3 years old, and I lived there till I was 18 years old, all through grade school and high school. Lived in a very small town called Salinas. My parents are still in Puerto Rico, in the same home that we grew up in. After the hurricane, that home suffered extensive damage, pretty much was destroyed after the roof was ripped off the house during the storm. And they're determined to rebuild and just get things back on track. There's an expression in Spanish, Puerto Rico se levanta. That means Puerto Rico is rising. That mindset has continued throughout these past months with an attitude of we're going to get up, we're going to rebuild, we're going to help each other to get ahead and get things back to normal. I decided to go for the holidays, flew out on Christmas Day. My purpose was to just go be an extra set of hands. The conditions of the home were obviously still not ideal. So in planning this trip, I was talking to a very good friend of mine, Pam Blackburn. I've known her for most of my career at APS. And she immediately said, I want to go with you. She and her husband, who's got general contractor background, volunteered to come down there and help. We were down there on the ground for 8 days, just going to my parents' house every day. We were able to install some lighting in the house. We did some minor repairs, and then our big focus was the kitchen. It just gives them the ability to just function in some normalcy every day. Working for a utility company and sort of looking at what was going on, that you've got an island of 3.5 million people without power, it's like, why can't we do something? I didn't imagine that APS could travel that kind of distance to help out. So I am just so grateful, so impressed. I mean, there's not enough words to express my pride in working for a company like this. It means so much that people care.